No.
Bojo Kinawia, Miigwanaabeqwe Indigo, Adik and Dodem, Atik Mixing and Don Jaba. Vagina Kagwan, Gi Giji Tame, Anishinaabemowin Wiigwaam, Gwaitani Gi Minwin Dogzame, Oma, Anishinaabemowin Wiigwaaming. Nibna Gego, Getcha Pizza Jig, Ingi Knomag Egog, Nishnabemang. Betinawik Ingi Nakwesh Kawag, A Mino Nishnabemajig. Getcha Pizza Jig, Opchigo, Gi Minwendamuk, Weebayawag, Oma Nishnabemowin Wiigwaaming. Nango Obdek Ni Jaganashi. So I have to say the rest in English. I just wanted to say how important it is to learn the language and that we had this immersion program. Because when I think about all of the people that I know, or most of the people that I know who are fluent, they are much older than I am, and I always wonder what's going to happen when they pass away, like who's going to be left to speak the language. So I think it's something that we all have to do, and I'm so happy that everyone came and that we're starting to do that. And I had a friend, her name's Jarita Grey Eyes, and she taught me that it's the elders' jobs to teach the young ones and pass on that knowledge and information. And when they aren't able to pass that on to someone, then it becomes a burden for them. So it's our job to lessen that burden and learn those things. And I'm really happy and honored and humbled to help unburden them. And all of the elders had just as much fun as we did. They all tried to stay as long as possible. Some of them were here until like 8 or 9 at night. And they all seemed really sad to leave. And I feel the same way in leaving, sad to leave. So we're probably going to keep doing this again, which is awesome. It went really well. And I'm just really honored and humbled to be a part of like unloading that burden for them. Yeah, so we're going to keep coming back. And I'm also, another one of my next goals is to find someone who I can live with who is fluent for a month, 6 months, however long it takes to just do Anishinaabe, because you really learn a lot when you're at immersion, and I think we all learned that from when we were here. So yeah, that's it. Miigwech.
Miigwech.